Have you ever walked away from a conversation and everything felt normal? At first, you said what you wanted to say. They responded, nothing seemed wrong. But then, something changes, not outside. Inside, a small thought appears, did I say something wrong? And just like that, your brain goes back, replaying the moment, every word, every pause, every reaction. You start analyzing things you didn't even notice before. The tone of your voice, the way they looked at you, that 1 second of silence, and suddenly it feels different like. Maybe it sounded weird. Maybe it was too much. Maybe it wasn't enough. Maybe they noticed something you missed, so your brain tries to fix it. But there's nothing to fix, because the moment is already gone. Still, it keeps going. Loop after loop. This isn't random. Your brain is built for social survival. Thousands of years ago, being accepted meant staying alive. So your mind learned one thing: avoid rejection at all costs. And now, it scans every interaction, looking for mistakes, looking for signs, looking for danger, even when there is none. That's why a normal conversation can feel like a problem. That's why your brain won't let go, because uncertainty feels unsafe. And your mind wants certainty, so it keeps you playing, trying to find an answer, but the answer doesn't exist. Only possibilities, only interpretations. And the more you replay it, the more real it feels, until doubt replaces reality. You start believing something went wrong, even if it didn't. This is how overthinking works, not by facts, but by repetition. So what can you do? Next time this happens, pause, notice the pattern. You're not discovering truth, you're replaying. Fear, and fear always feels convincing, but it's not always real. Sometimes, nothing was wrong. You just felt uncertain, and your brain tried to protect you, even if it hurt you in the process. So remember this, not every thought is true, not every feeling means something happened. Sometimes, it's just your brain trying to keep you safe. Still think it's random.